Hi, hello, namaste. This is the Race the tutorial, Yuva Srinivas. So today onwards, I am going to discuss a wonderful topic like what is that IPE level, Intermediate Public Examination level. Very important question SAQs I am going to discuss. So SAQs, LAQs, VSAQs, completely we are going to provide you very important question. If you are preparing this question, you will get, I have confidence you will get 60 out of 60. But yourself I am started. So please, my dear students, please try to cooperate and try to subscribe and like and share it my channel. So let's start. And another important point, right side, this is the complete question along with answer I am giving to you. In this side, complete I am going to explain. So take screenshot of this question and you read it this question only. No need to read another very important question, other question. You read it these questions only, question and along with answers. Take screenshot. I'm going to start answers. Question. Mention the advantages of selecting pea plants for experiment by Mendel. So we know Mendel is experimented on pea plants. So the what type of advantages is they? That question there are asked. So that I am going to explain to you. Very simplified clue. Race the tutors is nothing but easy clue. So this is explanation purpose. The red mark I am going to see here. That code I am giving to you. That is A B C S S P. That's it. If you know this code, you can write everything. How sir? So let's I'm going to say first A is there. A means annual plant. So we know like what is that? This pea plants is 1 year they may complete their life cycle. So hence it is called annual plant. So with the different characteristics are there. So A means nothing but what will come? Annual plant. That's it. Finish this. So this is the first one completed. Second, it has the bisexual flowers are there. So B mean what sir? Bisexual flowers are there. So bisexual flowers mean what sir? It has a male and female both are present. So hence it is called like what is that bisexual flower. The next C is there. C means crossed easily. So why? Because here bisexual flowers are the male and female. So which is crossing is very easily is present. Because of which is present is very near is present. So hence it is crossed easily. So annual plant, A for annual plant, B for bisexual flower, C is crossed easily. That's it. Completed. So 3 points is completed. Next, fourth point I would say. So bisexual flowers like male and female which are present in very near is present. So that's why automatically what happened? Self-fertilization which is occur. Self-fertilization. So that's a yes mean self-fertilized is present. Then after what happens are the easily which may completed is there. So short term they may complete their life cycle is present because of there is male and female which is present in very near easily which may complete like what is that fertilization and after that what happens sir? Life cycle is easily which may complete it. Short time like complete the life cycle. Yes, self fertilized. One more yes, short time complete may their life cycle. And one more, produce a large number of progeny in short term. In short term, which may produce so many children, like small plants which may produce it. That is called as offspring. Offspring means small child plants are they. So that's a produce large number of offspring within a short time. P means produce, that's it. Just observe it this. Very simple, no? Annual plant, bisexual flower, crossed easily, and self-fertilization. Short term like they complete the life cycle, produce a large number of progeny in short time. Next, second question. Explain the codominance with example. So codominance means the mother and father. Both characters are found in F1 generation, like offspring, like child. In child, mother character, father character, both are found. That is codominance. So explain the codominance with example is given. Okay? If you know the example, you may get this definition. Let's start. See, just concentrate on the word. Here, I'm going to take pure breeding. So, lentil plant I'm going to take. Which one? Both are there. Here, I'm going to take spotted. So, spotted I'm going to take now. And here, pure breeding. Dotted lentil plants are there. So, I think here, both type of parents I took. One is the pure breeding spotted lentil plant are there. And another one is like what is the pure breeding dotted lentil plants are there. So I'm crossing like what is that? Both like characters that I'm going to take CS. S means spotted. One more I'm taking. Yes, CS, CS. Here D, CD, CD. So S means spotted. So D means dotted. So I'm crossing this both characters are there. So that's here I mentioned a cross between pure breeding spotted lentil plant, pure breeding dotted lentil plant. What they are produced, I'm going to say. This is the parents are there. What is that? Parents. So in that both are similar is present. You will take one only. What is that? Here CS. Here CD. This is the gametes are there. If the cross between both CS, CD in F1 generation, what they are produced? CS, CD. It means both the mother and father, both characters are found in F1 generation. So that is what type of S and D. So that's the hence it is called spotted and dotted. Both characters found in F1 generation. So that's why a cross between pure breeding spotted lentil plant and pure breeding dotted lentil plant, which may produce like what is that, sir? Heterozygotes that are both spotted and dotted. In which one? F1 generation. So definition I'm going to say. The heterozygotes. We know CS and CD both are heterozygotes. Difference is there, spotted and dotted. Heterozygotes are there. So heterozygotes have features with both homozygotes are there. Neither dominant or neither recessive parents are present. So that is called as codominant. It's when mother character, father character, both are found in F1 generation. I think your question after that here F1 generation. Let's after that what happens, sir? Self-pollination is present. So in F1 generation, self-pollination after what there are produced. In this is a F2 generation, I'm going to start. Like make it one. So catch your friends, how am I to write? Just connect it. CS, CS. Just to see CS, CS. CS, CD. CS, CD. First you write it CS, CD. Yes. Why? Because you may connect it like this only. CS, CD. Next to CD, CD. We know CS, CS is belongs to what is that? Here, this is the dominant character survey. What is that? Spotted. These are spotted. Next, one more. CSCD. This is CSCD. What there are? Spotted and dotted. Spotted and dotted. Next, CD. One more. CSCD. This is also the same like that only. Spotted and dotted. We know CD. This is the receive characters are the what there are? Dotted. What is the ratio? 1 list, 2 list, 1. When the F1 was self-pollinated, F2 resulted the ratio. What are they? 1 list, 2 list, 1. 1 is only one is there. 1 is like what is that? Spotted. These are spotted. And both are CSCD. These are spotted and dotted. And one more, what is that? These are dotted. So CS, 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 CD. Okay. Next, this is CDC. So this is the second question. Next, third question. Explain the incomplete dominance with example. So previously, codominance we studied. Codominance means mother and father. Both characters are found in child, like offspring. But here, incomplete dominants are there. It means mother character, father characters are not found in child. The character which are came from where look like phenotypically look like, but internal same. So externally looking like grandfather, grandmother, or uncle. So like this person. So mother character, father characters are found, but genetically same. But here physically, mean phenotypically different. So that is called as incomplete dominance. So that's it. What is the reason? When one allele of a gene is not complete dominant to other alleles are there. So as a result, heterozygotes having phenotype different. Phenotype is different. Dominant and recessive of homozygote. So first of all, you may catch like what is that? Example. If I'm telling example means easily you may catch this definition. Let's start. Example I'm going to say. So here the best example like what is that? Dog flower. Here scientific name is snapdragon or antherhinum also present. Just you will take one example like dog flower, that is snapdragon you will take. Okay, all are catch this. Let's start. What is this? The second point. Second point you may catch mean, third point you may catch mean, automatically this will come. Okay, na? Let's start. Right. Here in a cross between what there are two? Red flower. Yes or no? So that I'm going. That is the red flowers only. That is the true breeding. So true breeding, what is that? Red flowers are there. And one more, smaller is there. What is that? White flower is there. That is true breeding. So true breeding, white flower. Here red, here white flower. Okay. So what's in a cross between true breeding red flower and true breeding white flower plant? What there are produced are pink color is there. Yes, these are parents. These are parents. So gametes, how will write, sir? So here both are same in take any one, capital R. Here both are same, take one, small r. These are gametes. Then after you write it, here capital R, small r is F1 generation will start. that is capital or small r. So, but here codomains in that both characters are found, but this is incomplete domain, that is grandfather or grandmother or uncle. So that's the characters, like phenotypically characters are found. So that's a complete different one is there. That is pink colors are produced. Not mother, red color, not a father color, that is complete pink color is produced. So that's why what happens are one allele, capital R and small r. One allele is not complete dominant to another alleles are there. So here just you catch out students, one allele of a gene not complete dominant to other alleles are there. Results what happened? These both are heterozygous is present. So that's why heterozygous have phenotypically means external appearance like such as are they. So phenotypically here red and white here but pink color is there. So that's what happened. Phenotypically different dominant and recessive characters. So that is called as incomplete dominance. So your catch in a cross between true breeding red and white, your catch like what is that F1 generation pink color is same like that one. So F1 generation after what happens sir, self-pollination is present. So what sir self-pollination after F2 generation will start. So F2 generation after just you make it one box and write it. Like what is that sir? One is here capital or small r is there. Just you both sides you read it both place capital or small r. That's it. Here also same like that only. Capital or small r. Capital or small r. That's it. Now you connect it here. You put one finger and upside. You connect it like what is that? Capital R, capital R. Next capital R, small r. Like next capital always should write first. Capital R, small r. The next small r. That's it. So we know here capital R is the government character. What there are? Red flower is present. And capital R small r is like what is that? Pink colors are there. And small r is the recessive character. What are they? White. So what is the ratio, sir? The genotype ratio is 1:2:1. You will write it. So what's our 1:1? One is here. Red one is present. Red. This is pink. So these are like what is that? White. Here. Red one is capital R, capital R. These are capital R, small r. And these are small r, small r. So it is looks like what is that? Mendel monohybrid cross. What is the ratio of genotype ratio? 1:2:1. No? Same like that or similar is it. But phenotype ratio is a complete different one is present. If you know just incomplete dominance, if there are asking question, first you write it this, then after you write it this matter. Or otherwise you write it this or this. Whatever it will be. This is the answer. Very simple, no? So this is a three questions is a very important in principles of inheritance lesson. Next I'm going to say another lesson important question. Please subscribe student and like and share it. This is a race tutorial.